Hey, welcome to Step by Step Farming. I'm Ed. Today I want to talk to you about my freeze dried bananas that I did. Man, they turned out awesome. Stay tuned. All right, so there's plenty of videos out there about freeze drying bananas, so I figured that I wouldn't bore you and waste your time. I will do a video on that later. However, I want to show you the finished product of what we did. All right. Now, these are freeze dried bananas, and of course you can see I've popped a couple of them off right there. Let me explain something to you about me and bananas. I have like this love-hate relationship with bananas. I love them if they're really yellow and a little bit of green, but once they start browning, I cannot eat them whatsoever. But I love bananas. I love banana flavors. Well, you know, when you're somebody who's like me who loves to eat, you want to find things that are going to replace the bad stuff and you want to replace it with good stuff. Well, since we've gotten our freeze dryer, we actually did some bananas and I'm going to show you the texture of them. Of course, you know, you can actually hear it. And I'm going to show you what it's like when you actually eat one of them. This is what will happen to you. That is so good. Matter of fact, give me 1 second. That will happen every time you eat one. I'm so sorry. Now, these make good snacks. All right. You can take these to work with you for your children. I mean, I'm trying to get the glands to stop rolling on me. But this is a perfect snack that you can take with you. And guess what? You can put them in a jar or put them in a Mylar bag and they'll last you for 25 years. But you would not know it if you stuck one of these in your mouth. All right, so this is a perfect snack for you to be able to use. It doesn't hardly weigh anything. You'll be able to keep it and put it up somewhere, store it out of the way, especially if you use the Mylar pouches. You'll be able to keep that out of the way. But I had to show you. I was just so excited. And I know my wife, Yvonne, just thought I'm just crazy. But I just got so excited over the bananas because this is a friend that I can love. Y'all have a good day. And watch the other videos because I am going to do the whole process for you so that you can understand about freeze drying bananas.